Hey everyone, Ed here with Michelle in the Great Indoors, and today we are outside of Great Lakes Mall's food court entrance. I was here the other day without you, Michelle, and I had this really good hot dog at the Hotdog Factory.
Okay.
The original Hotdog Factory.
Original.
This is the only one in the state of Ohio.
Okay.
So I think it's important that we show you guys what it's all about. They're scattered all over the country, but Northeast Ohio is lucky enough to have one right here at the Great Lakes Mall.
In Great Menor, Ohio.
You got it. Let's get in there and check it out.
Okay.
Like, comment, and subscribe to the Great Indoors. Okay, this is the food court, and there's a wide range of different options here. You have the Sarku Japanese food over there, the Asian Mart over here. That's where I got my crab flavored potato chips. Charlie's Philly Steaks over here. Villa Italian Kitchen. I guess that's their answer to Sparrows or Sparrows. Then you got the Vietnamese Pho and Grill. This is the Bubble House. Milkshake, signature drinks, mango slushies. You get the idea. You can have them customized right there. That's a new thing over here, that Cafe Panda. I believe it just opened right before the holidays. And right across this way, which is not operating anymore, looks like Chicken Dip is not with us anymore. And you got another Chinese restaurant over here, Asian Chow. All right. I got Michelle around here somewhere. I'll bring you guys back as we are about to order at the Hotdog Factory, which is right across the way. But we got a whole different selection of different hot dogs customized. I was asked by Drew, the guy that I work with at Longhorn, to get something with nachos, a nacho dog. But I don't know that they have that. But what I do see is they have a taco dog, and that has chili, shredded cheese, lettuce, tomato, guacamole, jalapenos, and tortilla chips. But so I'm probably going to go with that just because it's just weird enough to be good. But look at that. They got Carolina Slaw Dog, the New Yorker, the Memphis Dog. You get the idea. They even have $8 burgers over here. And because it's their anniversary, they have extra long foot long for $9. That sounds like a good deal. I was here the other day, and on Mondays they have the All-American Dog. 2 American dogs and fries for $10. So have you made your decision what you're going to go with?
Yes, I am.
All right. Well, what are you going to get?
The Italian dog.
The Italian dog? Okay. And hi, I don't know if you remember me, but I'm making a video for YouTube for you. I guess we'll order off camera. Okay. Okay, they have everyday specials over here for $7.50 with fries. The Carolina Slaw, the New Yorker you could get, or the Detroit Coney. I've never had a Detroit Coney before. Put it in the comments and let me know if you guys know anything about the Detroit Coney, because that's just weird enough to be good. All right. Like, comment, and subscribe to the Great Indoors. We are here at the Great Lakes Mall and the original Hot Dog Factory. Yeah, the original Hot Dog Factory is not a one-trick pony. They have chicken tenders, hamburgers, chicken wings, and chicken sandwiches there as well. And I believe our order is almost up. Oh yeah, it's right there. Oh yeah. Okay. It took some time. They're kind of backed up there, but I like how they make your hot dog fresh. So there's the onion rings. This is Michelle's Italian dog. And it comes with onions, green peppers. Could you slide that onion ring over so I could see what it looks like better? There you go. Yeah, and did you go with sausage or did you go with the American beef on there?
The sausage.
You went with Italian sausage on that? And you notice how the bun is toasted like that? You don't see that at Sheetz or any gas station or Circle K. And this is the taco dog, and we both ended up getting a side of onion rings. There's jalapenos in there, shredded cheese. It looks like a tomato and chili built into it. So you want to be the first first person to try it, Michelle?
I'm going to say one thing about this hot dog factory.
Yeah.
Okay. I get a bigger hot dog at Sam's Club for $1.39.
Yeah.
For $8, I should be getting as big as Sam's Club.
Right.
That is a disappointment for $8.
Yeah, if you knew how much it cost, it was $31, including tip for all this.
The French fries, like 4 onion rings. How long I waited? 15 minutes for my dinner.
Yeah.
Totally a ripoff. I hate to say it. It's just.
But that's why we make these videos, so that people know what they're getting themselves into.
Well,
based upon, without knowing how much it costs, that's how we're going to base our decision on whether it's good or bad.
I hate to say it, but Speedway's even bigger hot dogs.
Okay. Well, Michelle's already in for it as if she doesn't like it, but maybe the taste will change her mind. She seems pretty set on being angry about it, but she's shaking her head right away. Oh, another thing that bothered her is they do not offer unsweetened tea. She had to go with Diet Pepsi, and yes, I know Pepsi is not my first choice either, but what are you going to do? This is what includes in the combo. You get a small little cup there and your onion rings or fries. You could choose between onion rings or fries in that.
And coleslaw.
Or
chips.
So tell me, what did you think of your hot dog?
Stick to Sam's Club.
Oh, yeah?
I'm
Sam's Club, you could get a whole big hot dog for $1.50 over there. So if you're going to look at it from that point of view, yes. But you're at the mall. This is the mall. You're not going to get those kind of deals at the mall. And you're not going to get a taco dog at the mall either, right? You can see the chili on there. All right, this is going out to you, Drew. I think I got the better deal. This is actually pretty good. It's hot. You got nice seasoning with the chili in there and the cheese. And then, tortilla chips right on top of there too. So, I'm happy with, I better be happy. But you know what? I understand where Michelle's coming from. That is a scrawny looking hot dog for how much we paid for that. The onion rings are pretty good. Did you try your onion ring yet? And what do you think?
They're good because they're freshly made.
Yeah. Okay.
That's a bonus right there. That's the only thing that's so far so good.
Okay.
See? I can tell them are homemade. A Rita is more circular and...
Right. And Michelle was wearing her hat outside. It's pretty cold outside, and that's why her hair is all like a flock of seagulls, okay? But that's okay.
I ran so far to get to a hot dog factory.
Yeah.
Am I pretending to hit the keyboard?
Oh, yeah. Thanks, Michelle.
I ran for the hot dog factory.
All right. I'm going to continue eating this, and we'll give our closing comments on that. And maybe we'll show you the some Christmas lights here at the mall. Like, comment, and subscribe to The Great Indoors. Okay, Michelle, before we go looking at the Christmas lights here, tell me what you were talking about, the original Hot Dog Factory.
It was okay.
Yeah.
It's nothing to write home about. It's a disappointing. Small hot dog like that for $8. I could buy a package at Giant Eagle. That's our local supermarket in Ohio.
Yeah, the hot dog alone is $8, and then you have to upcharge it for $5 more to get your onion rings and your drink that you really didn't like, But, if you're in the mood for a hot dog and you're at the mall and you want to get a hot dog and you want to be ripped off, I guess that would be the way to go. But if you're driving by and you want a hot dog, continue driving past Great Lakes Mall and don't come here for a hot dog. You could go to Sam's Club or Wholesale Club, BJ's or Costco's, if you're a member there, and get a really good hot dog for 100% cheaper than this.
I felt like that was Progressive Field prices and
Yeah.
the size. I get a decent size at Progressive Field, home of the Guardians.
Right.
But I hate to say it, very disappointing. And my hot dog better be juicy and a little bit bigger. I mean, a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
I will toast your buns any day of the week.
Right.
But, you know.
But I was happy with my taco. But when when you weigh what you were just saying, the price and how
Right.
much, it really wasn't a good value at all.
No, it was not.
All right, I want to show you, the Nutcracker Museum, Michelle. So
Okay.
let's get over there.
That's my favorite.
check it.
Ballet.
There you go. That'll put you in a better mood, right?
Absolutely. And
All
Bath
right.
and Body Works would put me in a better mood.
Oh yeah. You keep dreaming. Oh, I might have gotten you something already from there from Christmas. Okay, so
Are
I'm not
you
gonna.
saying I stink?
I don't want you buying anything and then you get doubled up upon.
Are you saying I stink?
No, you actually smell really good.
Thank you.
Okay.
It's the Mr. Clean 3 wick.
Okay. All right. Look at that. That is so cool. You got a dancing little thing here. And that, look at a little. Oh, our cats would love that, wouldn't they? Have that little toy freaking them out like that. I love that. Just to antagonize the cats. Yeah. That's
You're
cool.
going to be on the naughty list with Christmas and
Oh yeah. Yeah. We got football related stuff here. That's cool. And there's Santa Claus. It looks like Santa Claus is a little thin. I expect Santa Claus to be a little bit plumper than that. This is where Santa Claus is taking requests for the good kids,
He's over there trying
Yeah.
to get a little boy to sit on his lap.
But the Nutcracker thing is right over there, and it doesn't open until afternoon. And so they're not. I was talking to the person at the DeMonte's. He says that they should be opening it up by noon, but we got to get back to work. Michelle was making a comment that the Yankee Candle was no longer there. I guess they are not operating here at the mall anymore. If you guys know anything about the Yankee Yankee Candle Company, are they completely out of business? But this is the Nutcracker thing over there. I guess I'm more interested in it than Michelle because she's still hanging with Santa Claus over there. I like the Nutcracker stuff though. Okay. And there's one of the Christmas trees over here. All right. So you want to get back? Are you?
I said hi to Santa.
Yeah. All right, Michelle. You want to hit the road? We got.
You can safe out there, Santa.
All right. Well, did you enjoy your trip to the mall overall?
Yes.
Yeah. Besides eating at the original Hotdog Factory. Hey, you know what? You can't have it. I guess we should have expected better from them. Yeah. But you know
what? It's okay because I had lunch with my husband.
Yeah.
And I got to experience Hotdog Factory, and that's what matters.
I
to
guess
me.
so. Yeah, I know you don't like to be angry when you're eating, but when you feel like you're not getting a good deal, it does affect your opinion, I suppose. So anyway, thank you all for joining us, and there's the choo-choo train. All right.
All aboard for Christmas!
All right, you guys, stay safe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. I thought the video was going to be over, but Michelle ended up going to the, what is that, Bath
and Body Works.
What did you end up getting?
This is from Terry Z. Thank you, Terry, for my Christmas present. It's Vanilla Beam.
Yeah.
Noel. Smells fantastic.
Okay.
I found that in Foxwoods Casino.
Right.
Their thing. I found this last year, Pure Wonder, and they made a body wash finally.
Oh, yeah.
I got one more of those and a couple more sanitizers, and it all came to $20.15.
Hey,
And
you got more of a bargain with that than you did at the Hotdog Factory, correct?
absolutely. And the reason why I say thank you, Terry Z, because he gave me a Christmas bonus for helping him out.
Yeah.
And so I'm showing him what he bought for me from Bath and Body Works.
Yeah, because he does watch the channel too. Yeah.
And thank you very much, Terry.
Okay.
I'll smell really good in 2025.
And there you go, a happy ending to a restaurant review that wasn't so great.
Yes.
What more can you ask for, right? All right.
Can I say something? I wish I had more money because there's a $4.95 sale on everything today.
Oh, yeah. Well, it's only today, though, right?
Nope, it's all till Sunday.
Oh, really? Well, there you go. Mark it in your calendar, you guys. All right, see you guys.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Happy holidays.